Good morning. New week, week 8. We are going to be talking about spheres this week. So, you know that a sphere is a set of points that is equidistant from a center point in all directions. So that makes up a sphere, or what would be considered some type of ball. Volume for a sphere is going to be dependent upon the radius. So if you look at this problem number 1, we know that the radius is 6. Volume of a sphere is a little different. It looks odd. Volume is going to be equal to 4/3 pi r cubed. So it's really a simple formula, although that 4/3 there usually gets people a little bit nervous. So solving this, we're going to have that the volume is going to be equal to 4/3 pi, and then we're going to substitute this 6 in for the radius. So that's going to be 4/3 times pi times 216. Now you can do this thing a couple of different ways. I would suggest just multiplying it straight across. So we're going to have 4 times pi, which is 3.14, times 216. That's going to be equal to 2,712.96 divided by 3. And then when you divide it by 3, what you get for the volume is 904.3. So that would be the volume of that sphere. Now, on this worksheet, they're going to give you different things. So sometimes they're going to give you the volume, or they might give you the diameter. So you have to be kind of careful as to what the given information is. But get busy on the volume of spheres. The other one is surface area. That'll be coming out probably tomorrow. Different formula for that as well. So good luck.